We haven't even left the first quarter of 2024 behind us, and Meta's share price has already risen by an incredible 35%, making it the best performing FANG stock in 2024 so far. Meta surprised investors with incredible Q4 2023 results that showed ad revenue of $38.7 billion from their various platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Messenger and WhatsApp, a 24% increase to the previous quarter. Let's face it, even after rebranding from Facebook to Meta, it's still an advertising business at heart. Revenue from its advertising segment makes up 98.5% of total revenue, while the other two segments, which includes the newly founded metaverse-focused Reality Labs, make up the rest. But it is really the Reality Labs segment in particular that has investors dreaming, and that allows for creating a realistic growth story for Meta stock in 2024. So let's dive a little bit deeper into the factors that could drive the stock higher over the course of 2024 and explore also two other huge stocks worth watching this year. Before we start though, I want to make clear that by discussing these businesses and stocks, I'm not recommending that you buy, hold or sell these stocks. This video is only made for educational and entertainment purposes and is no investment advice whatsoever. So now let's continue with Meta and have a look at their Reality Labs segment. In Q4 2023, this segment has hit a milestone with revenue from the Quest headsets and Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses reaching $1 billion for the first time. Unfortunately, the segment is still making considerable operating losses, but this is nothing to worry about since product development efforts and investments for scaling the ecosystem are among the highest priority during the early stages. The adoption of Meta's VR headsets is likely to continue and will possibly be driven by Apple's latest entry into this market, as the Meta Quest costs only a fraction of Apple's Vision Pro. Another factor that could favor Meta's stock is the increased integration of AI capabilities into their advertising services. Meta has already rolled out generative AI tools to enhance advertisers' campaign targeting last year, and the results have been very satisfying. With consumer spending expected to rise by 1.6% this year according to Fitch Ratings, advertisers' demand for advertising will likely also increase to compensate for the last poor year, which could benefit Meta's stock. Another stock that could continue its insane success story in 2024 is NVIDIA. I think it's safe to say that there aren't many companies that have been able to do so incredibly well in the last year, and NVIDIA stock is already up by incredible 50% this year. Obviously, the entire storyline of this company can be summarized in two words: artificial intelligence. With the production of generalized all-purpose microchips, NVIDIA plays in one of the hottest markets right now, and the huge demand for AI chips is expected to further grow at unprecedented rates. Currently, NVIDIA dominates about 80% of the AI chip market and sells its chips to industry giants such as Microsoft, Alphabet and Meta. But as if this is not already enough, they have announced that they will now tap into the custom AI chip market. Typical customers of custom AI chips are big data centers that require special features for their chips. With this move, NVIDIA is attacking a $30 billion market that can be, if successfully entered, become extremely lucrative for the company. And there's another often overlooked driver that could send the share price soaring: NVIDIA's close relationship with Nintendo. While the Sony PlayStation and Microsoft Xbox are powered by AMD chips, Nintendo relies on NVIDIA chips for its Switch. And with the rumored launch of a new Switch console this year, this would of course be a great catalyst for NVIDIA's share price. And how can I make a video about big stocks in 2024 without talking about Microsoft? Just like Meta and NVIDIA, Microsoft has had an incredibly successful 2023 and is already up 12% year to date. And just like the two other stocks, the secret ingredient for its growth is artificial intelligence. I think there's hardly any other application that has made as many headlines in 2023 as OpenAI's ChatGPT. And Microsoft, which is the financial backer of the company, is integrating OpenAI's capabilities into a wide array of the products, such as to the Microsoft 365 apps and Bing search engine. Microsoft recently even introduced a new key to PC keyboards specifically dedicated to open up the Copilot, a generative AI assistant that will help you with your daily tasks in PowerPoint, Word or Excel. Apart from that, Microsoft's cloud business Azure is picking up significant momentum as well due to the integration of AI capabilities. Microsoft has been adding graphics processing units to its data centers so that clients can run AI models in Azure. Obviously, the leader in the cloud business still remains Amazon with its Amazon Web Services unit, but Microsoft is catching up at an incredible speed. And last but not least, Microsoft could benefit from a refresh cycle for their personal computers. With the end of support date for Windows 10 being October 2025, many customers will want to move to Windows 11, which will drive Microsoft's PC sales. But now I'm curious for your views on these 3 stocks. What do you think of those companies? Can they continue their incredible success story throughout 2024? Or do you believe that the whole AI hype will slowly die down? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.